अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम रोमा ख़ान है और मैं बातें तेरी के प्लेटफॉर्म से आज कुछ शेयर करना चाहूँगी जो कि मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है। My father used to listen to this when we were children, and I remember him kind of swaying to the sound of it, और हमें उस वक्त नहीं समझ आती थी, और अब जब हम बड़े हुए हैं तो हमें समझ आती है उसकी मीनिंगफुलनेस। My father is no more, and I often think about him whenever I listen to this. And right now it's about 4:10 a.m. here in Lahore, and I was unable to sleep, and I had to do this, so I thought I'd share it. It goes by Reshma ji has sung it, Aksar Shabe Tanhai mein. And when I started reading more about it, I found out that it is actually originally written by an Irish poet, Thomas More, and it was translated in Urdu by Nadir Gagorvi, a poet, and I think the poet added much more when he translated it in Urdu. But I'm going to read the original version that is in English. And then maybe the Urdu version can also come sometime later. So I don't do this, but I'm going to try. Oft in the stilly night, ere slumber's chain has bound me. Oft in the stilly night, ere slumber's chain has bound me, fond memory brings the light of other days around me. The smiles, the tears of boyhood's years. The smiles, the tears of boyhood's years. The words of love then spoken. The eyes that shone, now dimmed and gone. The cheerful hearts now broken. Thus, in the stilly night, ere slumber's chain has bound me, sad memory brings the light of other days around me. When I remember all the friends so linked together I've seen around me fall, like leaves in wintry weather, I feel like one who treads alone. Some banquet hall deserted, whose lights are fled, whose garlands dead, and all but he departed. Thus in the stilly night, ere slumber's chain has bound me, sad memory brings the light of other days around me.